Hedgewitch Herbarium presents Animal Totems, featuring The Swallow, suggested meditation music, Night of the Swallow by Kate Bush. Message: leave the past behind. Dream symbols: unconditional or everlasting love, relationships with those far away, journeys, travel, coming home, remembering your roots, rising above chaos. Totem powers: singing and music, happiness and love, hope, rain magic and astral travel. Medicine: throat issues. Herbs and plants: bayberry, marshmallow and apple blossom. Gemstones: rainbow fluorite, turquoise and tourmalated quartz. Associated deities: Procne and Philomela, Isis, the Kotharat, Anubis, Aphrodite or Venus and Orion Rod. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Blessed be.